Hi guys, today I'm working on a cabbage and leek. This idea is for St. Patrick's Day. So let's see what happens. I'll turn this camera around and you can have a look at what's in the skillet. In this skillet are some cleaned sliced leeks and a green cabbage that also has been sliced. I also have butter and olive oil and some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to cook the cabbage and leeks down a bit. Okay, yeah, I did take it a little too far. It's got a little extra caramelized. That is the word, right? Anyways, don't do that when you're making it at home. But that's okay. I think it's still going to be really delicious. Looks good, nice and tender. Everything is soft and wilted down. And actually, it looks pretty perfect. I probably could eat it with a fork right now, but we're not done. So hang on. Okay, now we're adding a splash of heavy cream, Dijon mustard, and a good stir. Now I might suggest adding caraway seed to this if you're a fan. I am, but I feel like I add caraway seed to maybe too many things lately, so I'm going to leave that out. Just give it a good stir. Yum, and wait till you see what I add next. Okay, can you hear that sizzle? I just took them out of the oven, and now I'm going to smash them. Good old pounding. Okay, now I think I want to thin my cabbage and leek mixture down just a little. It's a little too thick, I think, for my liking. So I'm just going to add a little splash of water. You can also use chicken stock if you like, but I'm going to use water. Another good stir. I don't want it too loose, but I just don't want it as, like I said, as tight as it was, as thick as it was. Okay, I think I am going to call this dish done as soon as I get those potatoes mixed in. Now, it might not be the prettiest color, but seriously, how can you go wrong with cabbage, leeks, and potatoes? A little bit of heavy cream, some Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and there's butter. I don't think you can go wrong at all. At least that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm going to give it a little taste, see if I need to adjust the seasonings at all. And if I'm very happy with it, you'll be seeing it on the blog well before St. Patrick's Day. For the full recipe, please visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.